Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to set the length and decimal place for percentage field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are going to learn how to set length and decimal place for percentage field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly we click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon we can see there is a setup option present. We click on that option and our setup page is open. Under this page, we can see the Object Manager tab is present on the name bar. So we click on this Object Manager tab and our Object Manager page is open. Under this page, we can see lots of objects are present and here we want to select the product object. So we enter the product in the search box and our product object comes at the top, so we select this product object, that is a custom object, and our product object page is open. And under this page we can see the detail on the right side, detail related to the product, and on the left side there is a detailed section present, and under this section we can see fields and relationship option. Click on this fields and relationship option and our fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see already created fields are present, but here we want to create the new field, so that's why we click on the new button. And our new custom field, choose the field type page is open, and here we can see lots of data type are present, and here we want to select the percentage checkbox field type. So we scroll to the bottom and here we click on the percentage checkbox that allow the user to enter a percentage number. For example, 10 are automatically add the percent sign to the number, and after checking the checkbox we click on the next button. And our next step is we enter the detail related to the custom field. So we firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as a profit margin. And after adding the field label, we adding the length and the decimal place, and here we are adding the length as a 12 and enter the decimal place as 2. This length define the number of the digit to the left of the decimal point, and this decimal place define the number of the digit to the right of the decimal point. After filling this length and the decimal place, we scroll to the bottom, and here we can see our field name is automatically filled, and then we click on the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. And after that, we click on the visible checkbox for all the field security for profiles, and then click on the next button. Now, our next step is to add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select a layout. To change the location of this field on the page, we will need to customize the page layout and then click on the Save button. After creating the field, we come back to our field and relationship page, and under this page we can see our profit margin with percentage 12 to 12 is the length and 2 is the decimal place is created successfully. Now we want to see we set the length and decimal place for the percentage field or not. So we click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box and select the sales option. Our sales page is open and we can see lots of tabs are present on the name bar, and here we want to select the product object. So we search the product here, and here is the product object. Click on that and our product record page is open, and here we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button and our new product dialog box is open. Now enter the product name, and here we are entering the product name as sales products, and then we give the product time as this, and then scroll to the bottom, give the product price as this, and then enter the product code, and then we can see our profit margin field is present. Enter the profit margin in this field, and here we are entering the profit margin as a 84.2, as a 84.2, and then click on the save button. And here we go, our sales products was created successfully, and under the detail tab we can see our profit margin with the 84.20, because we give the decimal place as 2, so it gives 2 number after decimal place, and then give the percentage sign because we choose the percentage data type. Now move forward and discuss about how to set length and decimal place for the percentage field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we want to move to our Salesforce Classic version. So for this, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open, and here we can see a username present. Click on the drop down arrow of the username and then click on the setup option. Our Salesforce Classic version sales page is open. Our Salesforce Classic setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and then click on the drop down arrow of the customize and then select the objects, and our custom objects page is open, and under this page we can see lots of objects are present, and here we want to select the project object. So for this, scroll to the bottom, and here is the project object. Click on this project object, and our custom object project page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of this, and here we can see the custom fields and relationship section are present, and under this section we can see lots of fields are already created, and here we want to create the new field, so that's why we click on the new button, and here we go, we can see our field type page is open. Here we can see lots of data types are present, and here we want to select the percentage data type, so we click on the percentage checkbox that allows the user to enter the percentage number. So after that, selecting this percentage checkbox, we click on the next button. And here we go, we see our project new custom field. Enter the details page is open. Here we entering the details related to the field, and here we first enter the field label, that is a project completion. After entering the field label, now enter the length, and here we are giving the length as 5 and the decimal place as 2, and after that we can see our field name is automatically filled, and then our field name is automatically filled, and then click on the next button. And we come to our next step, establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the edit access to this field via field level security, the field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. So for this, we click on the visible checkbox. This visible checkbox enable the access to field level security for profiles, and then click on the next button. And we move to our fourth step, that is add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. To change the location of this field on the page, we will need to customize the page layout and then click on the save button. And here we go, we come back to our custom object project page and we scroll to the bottom under the custom fields and relationship section. We can see our project completion fields is created with a percentage data type with the argument 5 and 2. 5 is the length and 2 is the decimal place. And now we want to see, we set our length and decimal place for this percentage field type or not. So we scroll up and we select the project. So search the project in this tab, and here is the project. Click on this project object and our project record page is open. Now enter the new button, and here we enter the project USA name, that is a sales project, and then enter the project status and then start time and then task estimated hour and then start date, and date is automatically filled, and then select the employee. Here we are selecting this, and then we see our project completion field is shown. So enter the project completion, and here we are entering the project completion as this, and then click on the save button, and here we go, our sales projects is completed, and our sales project record is created, and project detail is shown under this, and here we go, we see our project completion 72.60. This 60 shown as a decimal place 2 because we set our decimal place as 2, and this 72 is a length of the project. So this is our complete project completion length and the decimal place. So with this, we have learned how to set length and the decimal place for percentage field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.